Good morning students. Today we are going to see some important formulas from this lesson. See, yeah, as you know what is meant by profit, loss, cost price, selling price, percentage of profit, percentage of loss, and more important formulas like we are going to learn how to find, how to calculate simple interest or principal amount and all that thing. See, some important formulas are written here, so you have to copy down these all formulas as it is in your notebook, as well as you have to learn this or you have to remember these formulas all the times. See, profit, yes, SP means what? Selling price. CP means it's a cost price. If you buy, for example, if you buy a pen for 10 rupees and if you sell it for 20 rupees, means 10 rupees more extra you got, that means you are in profit. Okay, that means profit is equal to what? Selling price. Always selling price is less than the cost price. Obviously, means selling price is greater than cost price, then we can say profit. And what about loss? For example, if you purchase that pen for 10 rupees and if you sold it for 5 rupees, means you spend more 5 rupees for the, means if the cost price, if you purchase it for 10 rupees and if you sell it, if you sold it for 5 rupees, means 5 rupees is lost for you. Yes. So yeah, formula for to calculate loss is what? It's a cost price minus here selling price. Okay, means obviously cost price, if the cost price is greater than the selling price, then that means it's a loss. Okay, so in this way you have to think, you have to imagine, and then you have to decide which formula is fit for that particular situation. Now profit. If we want to calculate profit in percentage, then what is the formula? So it's a profit upon cost price multiplied by 100. Why here multiply by 100? Because we have to find profit in percentage. Okay, then loss in percentage means it's a loss upon cost price multiplied by percentage, means here we have to calculate loss in what? Percentage. Now how to find, how to calculate simple interest? Simple formula, just you have to remember PRT upon 100. PRT upon 100. So P means what? Principal amount, means actual amount. Okay. R means what? It's a rate of interest. And T means what? Time duration. Means for 1 year or 6 months or 2 years, 10 years, like that. And rate of interest means a 10%, 12%, whatever. It's a rate of interest. So this is written over here. So you have to write these all formulas as it is. Now we'll see the exercise 8.3, question number 1. So what you have to find in question number 1, they have given the condition. Okay, cost price and selling price. Then you have to decide what is actually there. Is it profit or loss? And then you have to find percent for profit or percent in loss. Okay, so here see the sum, a cupboard brought for rupees 2500. Brought means what? It's a cost price. So what is the cost price of cupboard is? It's a 2500 and sold at rupees 3000. Sold means what? It's a selling price. So what is the selling price here? 3000. Now imagine cost price is 2500 and selling price is 3000. So obviously a selling price is bigger than cost price. So what is here? Yes, here is profit. So you have to write the formula profit, and it is profit is equal to what? Selling price minus cost price. So what is the selling price here? It's a 3000 minus cost price, it is 2500. So you will get an answer as a 500. Okay, so this is what rupees 500 is profit in this situation. But what we have to find here? Percent profit. So what is the formula? Profit percentage means what? Profit upon what? Cost price multiplied by 100. How much profit you got here? It's a 500 rupees and cost price is 2500 multiplied by 100. Now 500 multiplied by 100 upon 2500. So here you can cut the zeros. Okay, so what remains here? It's a 500 divided by 25. And you know 25 2 is a 50. and the 0 as it is. Means what answer you got here? If we think in the percentage, profit percentage is it's about 20%. Understood? So this is the answer here. Now one more condition, one more sum we'll see here. This sum, a skirt brought for rupees 250. Okay. So what is the cost price here? It's rupees 250 and sold at cost price is 250 rupees and sold it at rupees 150. So it's a selling price. What is the selling price here? It's the rupees 150. Now see, cost price is 250 rupees and selling price is 150 rupees. So now tell me, is it a profit or loss here? Obviously it's a loss here. Why? Because cost price is bigger than the selling price. So here loss. So you have to write the formula to find the loss. Loss is equal to what? Cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price here? Rupees 250 minus selling price, it is 150. So you will get answer as a rupees 100. Means how much rupees loss is here? It's a 100 rupees. But we have to find loss percentage as well. So what is the formula here? Loss percentage is equal to loss upon cost price multiplied by 100. So loss is 100 rupees. Yes, this amount you have to write here. What is the cost price? It is 250 rupees and percentage, so it's a 100. So this 100 multiplied by 100 upon 250, you can cut zeros. Okay, so what is remaining here? It's a 100 multiplied by 10. You will get an answer as a, here you will get answer as a, okay, no problem. So it's 1000 upon 25. Yes, we have cut here zeros. So how many zeros will remain at the place of dividend or numerator? It's a 1, 2, 3. So it's 1000 upon 25. When you divide this 1000 by 25, you will get answer as a 40. And you have to put the sign as a percentage here. Understood? So in the same way, you have to solve A and B from the question number 1. Now we will see the next question here. Now we will see the question number 2. In the question number 2, we have to convert each part of ratio to percentage. See one sum 1:4. This is the ratio is given and we have to find. Now you can see this is the 1:4. This is the ratio. How many parts you can see here? 2. First part, in the first part 1 is given and in the second part it is 4 given. So first step for this here, what you have to do in the ratio 1:4, first step you have to find the total part here. So it's the total number of parts is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So what is the total part here? First 5. Out of 5, first part is what? 1. So first we have to find the percentage of first part, that is 1 upon 5. We have to find percentage, so you have to multiply by 100. So 100 multiplied by 1 is 100 upon 5. So when you divide 100 by 5, you will get a 20 and put the sign of percentage here. That means percentage of first part is 20% of the given ratio. Now we will find the percentage for the second part. So what is the second part here? 4. As I told you earlier, it's a 4. That means percentage of second part is equal to, total parts are 5 and second part is 4. So it's a 4 upon 5 is the second part. Multiply by 100. So this 100 multiplied by 4 will be 400 upon 5. So when you divide 400 by 5, you will get answer as a 80%. Understood? So percentage of second part it is 80%. Percentage of first part it is 20%. When you add all parts of the percentage in the given ratio, you will get the total figure as a 100 here. Understood? In this way, you have to find percentage of each part in the given ratio. One more sum I will show you. B sum 2:3:5. This is the question. Now, what is the first part here? 2. Second part is here 3. And third part is here 5. In this way, so here 3 parts are given. First part is 2, second part is 3, third part is 5. So first find the total parts. So it's a 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. So total parts are here 10. We have to find percentage for first part. So it's a 2 upon 10. Why 10? Because total parts are 10. First part is 2 as it is. Multiply by 100. 100 multiplied by 2 will be 200 upon 10. So it's a 20% is the first part. Now we'll find the percentage for second part. So obviously what will be a 3 upon 10 multiplied by 100. So it's a 300 upon 10. You will get a 30% as answer. Now we'll see the percentage for the third part. Third part is 5. So here 5 upon 10 multiplied by 100. So it's a 500 upon 10. So you will get an answer as here 50%. Now you can check 50 plus 30 will be 80 and this 20 will be 100. You will get a total percentage as a 100 of course. Now one more sum, D sum. Some part I will show here and next part, remaining part you have to do as a homework. 1:2:5. Here also 3 parts of ratio are given. Okay. So first step what? You have to find the total part and it is 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now total parts are how many? 8. So we'll find first step, that is percentage of first part. First part is 1. So it's a 1 upon 8 upon 100 multiplied by 100. So it's a 100 upon 8. You will get an answer as a 12.5. How it is? When you divide 100 by 8, so it's a 8 ones are 8. 10 minus 8 will be 2. Will be remainder. Bring down this 0. So 20 number will form. So 8 2s are 16. 20 minus 16. 4 will be remainder here. 4. But we want remainder as here 0. Okay. So put the decimal point at place of dividend. Put the decimal point in the question. Write one more 0. Bring down that 0. Then 8 5s are 40. Now you will get here remainder as a 0. So percentage of first part it is 12.5%. In the same way you have to find percentage for second part. So what will be its the second part is 2. So it's a 2 upon 8 multiplied by 100. Right? Do the calculation and find the answer. Percentage of third part. So it's a 5 upon 10 multiplied by 100. So this will be homework for you. So what is the homework for you? Question number 1 A and B sum. Question number 2 A and D sum. D sum percentage of first part already we have find here. You have to find percentage for the second and third part. So this is the homework for you. Today we'll stop here. Thank you. Have a nice day.